Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Shantish Hair. They are a Amazon seller, so thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay divas, so jumping right in, here is the packaging. They did also send me over a couple headbands, which I'm unbagging and showing you guys right now. They also did send over a detangling comb, which is really good. I'm going to actually use it for styling. And then here's the actual wig. It does come with a pamphlet to tell you guys how to care for the unit, as well as some new new wig caps, excuse me. So here's how the unit looks. So the curls are very gorgeous. And here's the cap construction. It is average head friendly, meaning it'll fit large and small heads. It does have 3 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. And of course it does have the elastic band with the Velcro on the headband area. So here's how the unit looks. I am stretching it to show you guys that it is 18 inches, but of course it has shrinkage. Now I'm going to go ahead and style the unit. I'm only going to be using mousse. I'm not even going to use water. And yeah, it styles pretty good. I wanted to make this as quick and as simple as I could for you guys. So yeah, I'm just using the Cantu Curl It mousse or whip. I showed it at the beginning so you guys can see what it is. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take some of my hand, a very generous amount, and then I'm going to distribute it throughout the hair. And then once I do that, I am going to take that comb and rake it through so that it can define the curls and detangle if there was any tangling. Now as far as any tangling or shedding, I experienced not that much tangling, but the shedding was a little bit much more than I'm used to. But once I combed it out, it did stop after. So I don't know, for me it's not like a huge problem, but it was something that I noticed, so I did want to go ahead and mention that to you guys. But overall this unit is really nice, very beginner friendly, as it is a headband unit, and very easy to style, and it has really beautiful curls, which I really like, and they are very natural looking. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that same process to style it. It's just very quick and simple, throw on and go-esque, and then you also don't have to wet the hair in case you live in a colder place. But yeah, I'm just repeating the same steps, and of course you guys know I'll finish out my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about this unit. So I feel like this unit is very gorgeous. I do like how easy it is in terms of like styling and everything. Very beginner friendly, so I really do like that. Now let's just go ahead and jump right into the pros and the cons. Okay, so as far as, I'll tell you the cons first. So as far as the cons, the only thing that I don't like is that it is a little bit more shedding than I'm used to. However, this is curly hair, so that is to be expected. So yeah, so there is some shedding. Now as far as tangling, excuse me, I did not get that much tangling. And I'm sorry, I was looking over here in the mirror. That's really bad. So yeah, as far as tangling, I was not getting that much. But as far as shedding goes, yes, honey, I was getting some shedding. So that's something for you to be mindful of. However, it does slow down after you go ahead and run your fingers and put and rake the comb through the curls. It does, you know, slow up and everything, so that's good. So let's get into the pros. So the pros is that the curls are very beautiful and natural looking. That's something that I like. I do not like the curls that look kind of artificial and just unnatural. So I love the fact that these are natural curls. They don't just look like too perfect, if you know what I mean. Like, I like the curls. Yeah, I just like natural looking curls. As far as the cap construction, it is your standard headband wig cap construction, and it is really nice. They did give me some headbands as well to pair with it. I chose to go with the cheetah prints. I've been loving the cheetah print lately, so yeah, so that's what I chose to go with, and I feel like it matches the hair. I love cheetah print with curly hair. It just, I don't know, something about it, to me, in my mind, it goes well together. But yeah, overall I do like it. Now one thing that I did want to tell you guys about this unit, because I have been getting some comments on older videos. People say like, oh well, that looks too short to be 18 inches. Okay, so you guys know that our natural hair has shrinkage, and so does human hair extensions. Okay, so if I pull this down, it's falling right below the boob. Okay, so it is in fact 18 inches. It might appear to be 14 or maybe 16 inches, but it is 18 inches. It's just the shrinkage, and that's how curly hair works. That's how our natural hair works. So if it does look shorter in your personal opinion and you want it to fall like an 18, I don't know, maybe you have to go up maybe like two lengths longer or something like that. Like maybe a 22 would look like an 18, or maybe even a 20. It's just something that I get questions on, so I'm like, okay. Or people are like, that you're lying, that's not that length, and it is, you know. It's just the way that everybody hair work, and extensions is no different. So yeah, overall I do like this unit. It is very, very nice. I feel like it is also a really great price. This unit is under $100. You guys know, for the headband human hair wigs, they can range so high, even at just 10 inches, but this one is under $100 and it is 18 inches, so I feel like that is a pretty good steal. Of course, I will have a link in the description box below, so make sure you guys go ahead and grab you one, okay sis, because this is a really, really good price for this hair quality as well as the length and everything like that. So yeah, divas, overall I do like this unit. I think that it is a winner. It's definitely a good price and it's definitely a good wig, so I would recommend it, and a link will be in the description box below. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you would try this unit out. If you have already tried a curly unit out, just talk to me. I would love to know like what you are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.